Tired of project management feeling like herding cats? Let's tame that chaos. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to harness the power of Basecamp for seamless project organization. First, creating a project, click the New Project button. Give your project a descriptive name and add a brief description of its goals. This sets the stage for everyone. Next, let's break down the work. Head to the To-Dos section and create lists for different phases or task types. Then, add individual to-dos within each list, assigning them to specific team members and setting due dates. Now, everyone knows what they're responsible for and when. Communication is key. Use the campfire section for quick chats and updates. This keeps everyone in the loop without endless email threads. For more formal discussions, use the message board to post announcements and gather feedback. Basecamp simplifies file sharing. To the Files section allows you to upload and organize all project-related documents. No more searching through multiple email chains for that crucial file. By using To-Dos, Campfire, and Files, Basecamp brings structure and clarity to your projects. Now you have the tools to bring order to any project using Basecamp. For more in-depth tips and tricks, check out the links in the description below.